Yo, what's up? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and today we're going to be talking about a little bit of news from Instagram. It's been reported that they'll be adding a feature called name tags. Now this feature is similar to Snapchat's snap code, so it's kind of like a code that you'll be able to scan with your phone to follow people. And I think this is pretty cool. I've been hoping Instagram would do something like this for a while. Before we get into it, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, drop a like on this video. I would really appreciate it. It helps me out and it's going to allow more people to be able to discover the channel. Let's go ahead and hop over to the article and take a look at what they're saying about it. So this is an article from TechCrunch and it says Instagram has unreleased name tag scanning, adds hashtag and @links to profiles. I've already made a video on the hashtags and @links to profiles. I'll link that down below along with an Instagram playlist that has tons of Instagram tutorials if you're interested in checking that out. But if we scroll down here, it says Instagram may copy Snapchat's QR snap code scanning, judging by files buried in the Instagram Android apps files. So basically people have dug into the code and they can see sort of what Instagram is building or what they're planning for the future. A feature called name tag scan images indicate Instagram might want to let you aim your phone's camera at a visual code to open someone's profile. So I'm guessing you'd be able to point it at their phone, or people could end up making stickers or something like that so they can put them in public places and then people can scan them and see what they're all about. And if we zoom in here, this is sort of what the logo or the icon for it is looking like. And if we take a look at these, they talk about how you can build your custom code or your custom name tag. So I'm guessing you would use this in something like the stories camera screen. Then you could put whatever emojis behind it or a filter. It might have a photo of you built into it somehow. But that's pretty much what they're looking like. That's cool that you'll be able to customize them. I think this will be a good feature, a good addition to the Instagram app. So there you have some information about Instagram's new upcoming name tag feature. I don't have any information on when this might be launched. It's really up in the air at this point. We're just waiting. Just like every feature, they don't really announce it until it's out. But let me know what you think of this down in the comments below. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll definitely answer those. Also be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily videos on social media, mobile apps, tech, and all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.